Hello programmers, how are you? We know Java already released their new JDK version, that is JDK15. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install the new JDK and also configure this new JDK with your previous Eclipse IDE. Firstly, you have to come this page and I will put this link in the description box. Then just scroll down and search for this line. Windows 64 installer. Here you will get two links for downloading. But I will prefer you to download the exe extension version. Just click here and your download will be started. Now just install the JDK file how I am doing. Okay, we have finished to install our JDK. Now search for this PC and then click on properties and click on the advanced system setting. Click down below environment variables. In the system variables, click on the path and click on edit. You are seeing that I had JDK 14 but I want to change or add new JDK version. So we have to place a new JDK with the JDK path here. Go where you installed your new JDK. For me, it is local disk C drive, program files, Java. Here select the update version. Then bin. Now copy the path and paste here and click OK. You can also check is your JDK perfectly updated or not. You are seeing it is showing the new JDK version of JDK15. Now open your Eclipse IDE, then click in the window, Preferences and search for library. Here you will get install JRS. Click add standard VM and click next. Here select the directory where you save the JDK file path and copy the file as I am doing. Now select the new JDK, then apply and close. Okay, you are set and restart the Eclipse IDE again. To execute your new JDK in any project, just select the project, click in the build path, configure build path, click here and edit and set this as workspace default JRE JDK15. Then finish, apply and close. Now enjoy your new JDK. Thank you for watching this video.